welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather. And today we are opening days 23 and 24 of the Cinereplicas Deluxe Harry Potter Advent Calendar. I can't believe it's already Christmas Eve. It's so exciting. And time to open the last two.
This has been such a great box and we are so excited that you guys have joined us and watch all of these videos to see all these amazing little gifts that we got.
And of course, thank you, Amanda, again for this amazing gift. We have loved it.
And before we get into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video each time we upload. So here we go for the final time. We are opening the box of magical gifts. And we're going for day 23. And it is our Badger mascot, whom we love so much, and Hufflepuff, and it looks like he is encased in a little snow globe. It feels very lightweight, doesn't make a lot of noise. It's a wooden ornament, and it's a Nimbus 2000! You guys remember I said I love Nimbus 2000s?
Nice.
What is your favorite?
Nimbus 2000.
Yeah.
I like it. It's just a classic.
That is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. We will have to put that on our Hufflepuff tree that we have here. You want to put it on there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Find the spot.
I'll put it right here.
Hopefully this tree will just get bigger and bigger each year. So we are.
Can you see it? Yeah. There it is.
We are hopefully going to get a few more ornaments the next time we are in the Wizarding World. So
yes, we are counting down the days till our next trip to the Wizarding World. So look forward to new videos from the Wizarding World in future. So now it's time for the last one.
The magical day 24.
And it's got a broom.
Oh,
it feels kind of full. So let's see.
Oh.
Put some hot chocolate there. In there. Let's see here.
Maybe like socks or gloves?
I'm thinking maybe socks or gloves. I'm thinking socks probably, but we'll see. Because we did get gloves.
We got socks too.
We did. That's right. We did.
But you can never have too many.
Nope, you can never have too many. Yeah, it looks like socks. I can't deal with the tape, so I'm just gonna rip it. They're pretty, I can tell already. I like those.
And they're black and yellow for Hufflepuff.
Yellow. Let's see, aren't these pretty?
Those are really pretty. Is that a golden snitch on it?
It is.
Oh, it matches the necklace.
Oh yeah, I put the necklace on today. I'm gonna open it so you can see it a little better. Let's see. I open at the close.
Because it's the last day, so it closes, but then it opens because the next day is Christmas? Oh, that's so sweet. I love that.
That is cute. Oh, I love these.
That is a great one to end on.
That is so cute.
That is awesome.
Oh, I love that.
I had never realized with reading the books that the books in the year that the first book came out is the same year that the Battle of Hogwarts was. And so the whole I open at the close was, technically the year that the story ends was the year that we all fell in love with the story.
Yeah.
So I love that too. And so then this kind of harkens back to that. I love it. That was such a great ending.
Yes, that was great. This has been so much fun.
It has been, and I hope you guys have all enjoyed following along with us, or, since the videos have come out, you can just binge watch them too.
Yes, exactly.
So you don't have to go through each day and wait, you can just binge them all, which we do a lot with Netflix shows.
True. Well, we really appreciate you watching the videos, and thank you so much for your support, and we hope tomorrow that you have a wonderful, happy, Merry Christmas. And we will see you again at our next video. We've got some more travel videos coming up. And of course we'll do some more unboxings as well. And we hope to have a lot more fun videos for you in the future. So thank you so much and have a great Christmas.
Merry Christmas!